Hello, my friends. It's Romeo the Professor with A2Z Investor. Today's topic, Wall Street Bets vs. Robinhood. The lawsuit, what's going on with GameStop. I am Romeo the Professor with A2Z Investor. I invest in crypto, Forex, stocks, real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get exclusive trending Bitcoin, altcoin news, technical analysis, forecasts for the best cryptos to buy based on the latest data. What we will be talking about today. So we will be talking about Wall Street Bets versus Robinhood, what's currently going on, and thanks to Robinhood, the crypto will maybe take it from here, and we will also look at, let's look at it right here, Dogecoin, and say, should we continue to buy Dogecoin or leave it alone? Okay, let me move this right here. So, before I start, our cryptocurrencies to watch lists are based on the latest prices, user behaviors. We normally share what we're watching for the week throughout the video, so listen and learn, okay? Subscribe to this channel and ring the bell before we start. Wall Street Bets versus Robinhood. Now, Robinhood has prevented its users from buying GameStop and other meme stock. Traders and U.S. lawmakers are crying market manipulation. So that's the huge problem, or what's currently going on. Market manipulation. So why is that? Why is that? So let's talk about Robinhood. So we all know that Robinhood is popular with the millennials, okay? And it's about to go public also. IPO is about to make it public. And the lawsuit is following restrictions placed on GameStop stock trading that Robinhood did. The suit filed in Manhattan and Chicago follow a wild few days for the app and for alien video game retailers. GameStop price rose over 400% this week as Reddit users on Wall Street Bets message board launched a coordinated effort to squeeze the short sellers. Okay, so we're not going to talk about what shorting, things like that. Yeah, because that's on another video. Okay, so we'll leave that alone. Only thing you need to know is Melvin Capital, a hedge fund, received almost $3 billion bailout from two other hedge funds after closing out its GameStop shorts. That's a lot of money to lose. Now, Robinhood blocked customers from purchasing more game stocks earlier this morning. Well, you understand, which sent the price up to over 400 a share and tanked it shortly thereafter. Okay? So check this out. The Manhattan lawsuit claims that Robinhood purposely, willingly, and knowingly removed the stock, GME, from its trading platform in midst of an unprecedented stock rise, thereby depriving retail investors of the ability to invest in the open market and manipulation the open market. So basically they're saying Robinhood did market manipulation. So now they have a hearing in front of the House of Financial Service Committee. Okay? So is it greed? Do you understand what happened? I mean, what's going on? And like I told you, Robinhood had planned to go public this year, which people, once they do go public, it is a good buy to buy their IPO. Now, I must say this. Now, none of this is meant, what I'm saying is meant to be construed as financial advice. I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor. It's for entertainment purposes only. So please subscribe now before we start. Subscribe now and hit the bell to this channel. Again, so it's unclear what's going to happen. However, we know that something happened. Either Robinhood was for the retail investors or for the hedge fund. So we go to this article. So how will the retail traders feel about this? Do you think because of that they're going to heavily go into crypto? Well, we saw Dogecoin tremendously did a pump. Okay, so I believe, well, let's not talk what I believe now. The U.S. is in the midst of a culture war over the undesirable speech should it be allowed to live or should who be allowed to benefit from free market. All of this is happening while much of the world is stuck at home, frustrated, lonely, and anxious because we're still going through COVID, right? So let's look at this. This is what was tweeted by the Cameron Winkle co-founder of the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini. In other words, it's not so simple as onboarding hide-bound and disgruntled stock traders to crypto, which is what some people are suggesting. GME halted, Bitcoin open. So they say, I think today likely will mark the beginning of the retail bull run on crypto this cycle, tweeted Jeremy Gardner, the founder of decentralized prediction protocol Augur. So So the sense of I want to show you something. I want to show you something. It's buy stock, but because it's dead simple and because serious purchases are back more than just recent reports found that share brittle rules to scams. I want to show you something. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Yes, decentralized future depends on striking a balance between usability and upending the ability to be controlled by the financial power that be. That's the strength of crypto. Okay? Now, on one side, a centralized exchange which allows people to buy assets but have the same downside as Robinhood, they can and do go down, whether due to capacity issue or control issue. We don't know because that happened to dog chain. So Coinbase has a habit of going down during traffic spikes. And in light of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, Coinbase and others delisted XRP for quite understandable reasons of regulatory compliance. So let's look at dog. Okay. So we're looking at dog coin right now. From the weekly, this is what's currently going to happen. We did see the pump go all the way up to 7 cents from 1 cent. So we did see the pump. That was an amazing pump. I would not buy Dogecoin right now. I would say if you have a gain right now, I would clean it out and I would right now put it into Bitcoin because Bitcoin, I do believe is positioned to go on a nice 20, 25%, 30% run this week. I do see that happening. So I would get out Dogecoin. So when I say put in Bitcoin, so let me show you what Bitcoin is currently doing right now. Bitcoin is right where at 33,481, and this white line is where there's a little soft resistance here. I believe once you pass this 34,500, and then it's gonna touch 37,000, do a little pullback to right around 35,500, and bust this 37,000. And then once it busts 37,000, it's gonna hit 41,000. And right at 41,000, it's gonna do a pullback right to 37,000 again and bust. Once it busts 42,000 people, it's hitting 50. It's hitting 50. Okay? So I am Romeo the Professor. If you could do something for me, please subscribe, hit the bell to this channel, and if you're new to this channel, please type in the comments you subscribe and tell me about your thoughts today of what I talked about, the cryptocurrencies topics we talked about today. I am Romeo the Professor with A2Z Investor, and we talked about today this Wall Street Bets versus Robinhood. Thank you. I'm out.